Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. This is the Curtis Tomahawk MK.IIB in 1/72 scale by Airfix. Pardon if you can hear my dogs clacking in the background. They do that. So first of all, the box, it's got some really nice art on the front. Like I can't tell you what the name of that aircraft is. It's Italian though, and it's crashing. But we've got the main Tomahawk, and clouds, and land, and Airfix. There's only one paint scheme for it, and I think that's the product code. If not, let me know. The product code is A01003A. On the side of the box, it's just got another copy of the artwork, and the other side is exactly the same. On the top, it's got it's got some information, probably safety information. No, information about the aircraft. The length, the width, and the amount of pieces. We can tell that it's skill level 1, and this comes with 1 Airfix flying hour, which helps you get free models if you join the Airfix club or something along those lines. Airfix again. And that is just telling us what the paint scheme is about. Now we turn it over to the back. As you can tell, I've already opened the box just to get a look inside. I can't remember I don't know what that says. You can see the paint scheme. So this is it telling you all the different colours you're going to need. Sorry if this is out of shot. Here's it's saying more colours that you might need and more information. So as we can, on the back you can see that on the lower side it's got like a more cream colour, and on this side it's camouflage like most British Second World War aircraft. Now I can see what you're waiting for. You're waiting to see the parts, aren't you? So let's open this up like so. So we got one bag of 2 sprues and 1 clear sprue. The instructions. And of course the decals, which happen to be right at the bottom. We'll get into those in more detail later. So first off, we're going to look at the instructions. So this is all just telling us about more information about the aircraft, which is probably the same as what was on the top of the box, and safety instructions as well. So nice clear instructions. It's really clear. I can see exactly what I need to do, and the paint scheme's on the back of the box, which could be a problem for some people who throw the box out immediately. I'm hoping you could see quite a lot of that. It's down there. Just in case you didn't, it's there. You can pause and read that if you want to. Now, the main bit you've been waiting for is the bag with all the kit in. Let me just grab out my knife and just slice it open. I've sliced it open. Maybe not. Let's try that again. Okay, that time we got it. So what have we got in here then? Another bag. Right, we'll get into that in a minute. So what we've got here is these parts are actually really quite nice. Currently, all I see is a bit of mould, excess mould or whatever it's excess plastic. That's what it is on the pilot. I don't know if the camera's picking that up though. Oh, there's lots of mould fitted detail though, like lots of panel lines on all of the wings. It's got like the spruce numbers, clear different numbers so I can see what I need to build, which I think is pretty good. Yeah, more detail on the other side. Right, now to the other bit. So this side you got the fuselages. There's a bit of mould issues here, and here as well. But other than that, it looks pretty good. There's still more detail on this. But yeah, there's just so much detail on this. I'm really quite impressed with that. Apart from, of course, that bit there, which not quite as good. Right, so let's get into this. I don't know there might be a video coming out before this, if not this coming out afterwards. Basically, it's just going to be an update video, and there'll be more information on other stuff that's going on with the channel, a whole channel update. So on that, the plastic is really clear. That's quite impressive, actually. I've got a less clear plastic, which is from my already F35. It doesn't look as good, does it? That's yellow. And this is clear, which looks so much better. There's detail, lots of detail, which is good. And of course the sprue number. Okay, brilliant. So now I'm getting on to the decals. So what we've got is the standard British insignia and a lesser standard one. Lots of smaller decals, which are smaller. And the writing is not very legible. But that might just be because of size. Yeah, I can't read it not very clearly anyway. Yeah, it looks good. It looks like a really nice kit, actually. I can't wait to build it. I'm not sure whether I'm going to upload it for you or not. I'm thinking I might. I've put a poll on my Discord. And there'll be a poll in the update video, which is coming soon. There'll be a poll in my update video that's coming sometime soon. So the Discord will be in the description. Instagram will probably be linked below, even though you might have to copy and paste the link, which is what happened with the last time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.